These are the elevators at the Courtyard by Marriott, downtown SLC. Ooh, 400A.
Floor 6.
Wow, crazy fast too. That button cap was ripped off. Let's get a cab view here. These things are nice. They're very nice overall. And 400 days, they're always nice to see. And we're stopping at 3. Going down?
Car key.
Have it.
Just realized I didn't grab it.
Floor 1.
These could be 400 AE.
Floor 6.
It's got the voice. Overall, these are pretty epic. 400 A's, they're always nice to see. Except they're rare with the regular HD buttons. These vandal resistant ones, they're not as cool. And it's got 3,500 pounds.